Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing some super cute hairstyles that you can use with claw clips. If you have long hair like me, then you know the struggle of trying to style claw clips. They just simply don't hold my hair. There's not many tutorials out there of girls with like actually long hair showing you how to style claw clips. So I'm going to be giving you some cute hairstyle ideas that are actually going to work if you have long, thick hair, or even if you just want some cute hairstyle ideas. I'm currently still wearing my hair in like these rollers. This is my go-to curling routine. I don't like using heat on my hair at all. It just looks shit as well. I'm not very good at using heat on my hair, so I always use heatless curls and I sleep in these overnight. But before we get into the hairstyles, I'm actually going to style an outfit because as you can see, I'm still in my pajamas, which I love my pajamas, but of course I'm not going to be staying in these. Even though this is a hairstyling video, I thought why not show you guys me styling my outfit? Like, I might as well. If I'm doing heatless curls, I always leave my hair until last so that the curls can last longer throughout the day. For today's outfit, I'm going for kind of like a spring/winter outfit. It's going to be like a transition outfit. And the first thing I'm going to wear is I'm going to wear this bodysuit, which I got from Primark. I actually tried this on in my shopping video, so go and check out my shopping video. And I'm gonna wear this summer skirt. I was not sure on pairing these together because, like, I don't know if it looks a little bit weird, but I'm just gonna go with it and see how everything turns out. I want it to be like maybe a little bit low-rise like this so that my hips are kind of out. I don't know. We'll have to see what it looks like. I can barely see myself right now, so I have no idea what I look like. I could be looking crazy right now. I'm gonna be matching this with my leather jacket, although I'm probably not gonna like keep this on because I will just sweat if I'm doing my hair, but I will show you guys what it's gonna look like anyway. My plan is to kind of wear it off the shoulder like this, and I know this probably looks a little bit weird, like when I was styling this last night, because I always plan my outfits the night before I wear them, I wasn't too sure how I felt about it, but then I was like, no, it's kind of slay. I think once I've got my hair done, it will bring the outfit together, so this is very much trust the process. For shoes, I'm going to be wearing these boots. These are actually my mum's. I just stole them from her. I actually do need to get some brown boots, but it's really hard to find my size, but I'm gonna keep on the lookout still. I'm also wearing these super cute nails that I got from Amazon. These are just really, really adorable. Here is what you're gonna need. So you're gonna need some hairspray, any hairspray, and then I always just like to use a serum afterwards so that my hair isn't too dry, and it just makes the curls look a lot more healthier. And then of course just a hairbrush, or sometimes I prefer to use a comb if I'm doing curls, because if you're using a hairbrush that's like really tiny bristles, it will kind of just flatten the curls, whereas if you're using this, it will brush through them but keep the curls, if that makes sense. So I'm going to be using this comb. Almost forgot the most important step, hairspray. Okay, now I've got them like this and I'm going to take it out. Let's see how it all looks. I actually recently cut my hair myself. It's something I've done since I was like really young, but I've always cut the front bangs a little bit shorter. I may have cut them a little bit too short this time, and I've not styled them with heat colors yet, so this may look really crazy. But we just have to bear with, because this is crazy right now. Okay, I'm gonna go and sort my parting out and then I will be back. Okay, I've sorted out a little bit of a middle parting, although this little side bit is so desperate to be on this side, so I'm just gonna have to like force it to eventually stay over here. My biggest hacks, if my bangs don't come out perfectly the first time, is I grab some sunglasses and literally just put them like this for a little bit, and I'll just keep it like this for however long. Even if I'm like in the car for a little bit, I'll keep it like this, and it just keeps that volume, and it also keeps the parting separated. Guys, I love this stuff so much. It's like my favorite purchase ever, and I'm just gonna run that through some of the curls. This smells amazing as well. Now the first one that I'm going to be styling with this outfit is going to be this hibiscus one. And guys, I absolutely love this idea for storing your claw clips. And of course, I'm going to be styling all of these throughout the video, but the first one is the hibiscus clip. You're going to grab your hibiscus clip for this first hairstyle. I'm going to take the glasses out real quick. And you kind of just have to play around with this, like play around in front of a mirror and just see what looks best. But this is kind of like a half up, half down vibe. Now, half up, half down is probably the easiest to do if you've got super long, thick hair, because it's not holding all of your hair. And obviously this is a very small clip. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit like this. Just kind of random. I have no idea what it's gonna look like. I then slightly twist it and put my clip there. Like that. It's just really, really cute. Like, I really love the curls as well. And this is probably the easiest hairstyle out of all of them to come. So definitely go and try this one. But I'm obsessed. I'm back from taking the cutest pictures. I will put them around the screen. They looked so good. My hair looked amazing. It's now time for hairstyle 2. This next hairstyle is going to be a little bit similar but with a little bit of a twist. So I'm going to be using this butterfly clip that I got. And guys, how gorgeous is this? This I got from a store in Copenhagen. Go and watch my Copenhagen vlog. I actually saw this on TikTok when I was searching up for some hairstyles. I'm not sure if it's going to work with long hair, so we're going to test it out together. We're going to kind of grab our hair as if it's going into a half up, half down. So I'm just going to grab like a little section, and this time you're going to want to like actually separate it, which is really hard because my hair just doesn't want to separate. So I'm going to separate it and then I'll be back. Now I've got it like basically separated, and guys, my hair really doesn't like to separate, so this may cause a few tangles, but if you've got like better hair than me, then that will work better. And what I'm doing is I'm literally just twisting it. Now this probably will ruin some of my curls, but it's okay because we're doing a slightly different hairstyle anyway. And I'm kind of just gonna like roll it as if I'm doing a bun. Well, I am doing a bun. So it's kind of like, I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's now like a little bun situation. And I'm going to grab the clip, and yet again it's very trial and error, and I'm gonna like secure it. I have no idea what this looks like. I'm gonna go check that this is okay in the mirror. It could be awful and you guys might all be laughing at me. I think I've got it the best I'm gonna get it for right now. It probably does look a little bit messy, so please just bear with. I think this hairstyle might work a little bit better if you've got ever so slightly thinner hair, or maybe just grab a thinner amount. Maybe I should have just done that. I think I just grabbed a little bit too much hair, but it still definitely works. Like, it's still a really cute clip as well, so yeah, I think this one's really cute. A lot of these styles are probably a lot easier to do with straight hair, but we're going for curly hair, so if you think it looks hard now, just know it's going to be easier if you've got straight hair. So this next style, I'm going to be using this clip. This clip is really big, so I'm really hoping that this is going to be perfect for super long hair. And this is just a really basic one, so this is just putting it all up in one bun. This is going to be hard because, guys, having long hair, if you clicked on this video and you have long hair, you'll know how hard it is to like actually do it. So I'm grabbing all of my hair like this, and I'm just gonna twist it. And I'm very much like experimenting with this as well because I've never used a clip this big. So I'm just twisting the whole thing. I'm gonna do it kind of like the ponytail version. So I've just folded the hair over, and then I'm gonna grab the clip and try and hold that all in place. Like this. I have no idea what this looks like. This could look awful. I know that some people are gonna kind of think it looks messy and it's not right, but I guess it just depends on your style. And I guess the cool thing is that if it does come out like this and you don't like it, you can literally just redo it. Like, that's the great thing about claw clips, is that they come out differently for everyone. I kind of like this style. I think it's cute for just like having my hair back. And considering I've got really long hair, I've never been able to do the all up style before, so using a massive clip has really helped. This next one is probably going to ruin my curls even more, but I'm grabbing all the hair once again, using the same method of twisting, but I'm going to make sure I twist it basically all the way down. And this time I'm going to do like a low bun, so I'm going to grab it, roll it. I ended up using the flower clip, and I think this one works a lot better. I did have to put 2 bobby pins in the top just to stop it from falling, because obviously wearing a bun is so heavy. But I actually think this one works really well. It just clips everything underneath. And yet again, I think with straight hair this would probably work a lot easier. I don't know what it looks like from this side, but from this side it's definitely really cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you can try out some of these hairstyles, and I think claw clips are definitely the perfect thing for summer, so you can just put your hair all back. And I think my favourite hairstyle is definitely the hibiscus. It just comes out perfect, especially with long hair. I guess we've tried and failed some of the claw clip hairstyles that have gone viral. They're definitely hard if you've got long hair, so I understand the struggle. Let's hope that one day someone can invent a claw clip for long hair. Maybe they're already out there, who knows, let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like these hairstyles, and please let me know if there's any video suggestions that you want to see. I love you guys. Bye!